is just fantastic. I bought some radishes. I love this.
Beet greens for only $3. $3 only at booth 13. Help support Tar Academy at booth 13. $3 only.
We grew all of this in our garden, and we did all of these. We have a lot of cool stuff.
Can you give me back a 10 and you guys can keep the rest? I saw the fava beans. They look absolutely amazing. These kids are doing a great job and super excited to be able to come out and support them. Being in the food world, seeing kids interested in growing their own produce and enjoying what they eat really kind of is uplifting and inspiring to me as a chef.
Would you guys like some share? We're learning about selling and how to give, how to do money, basically.
Or basically marketing
Like some fresh radishes.
and advertising.
Like some fresh radishes. What?
You guys have grown?
Yeah.
They're freshly grown. Guaranteed quality.
We even got a tip for another one. And to think that all of our precious plants from our school are making other people's dinners and making them happier and bringing them food, it's amazing. What we sold at our booth was we sold hydroponic lettuce and we also sold plants from our garden. Organic foods for sale, $2 each bag of cilantro, mustard, funnel. And I learned that the more you work together as a team, the more you can make and the more you can provide from it.
Yes, I did quite enjoy it. It's probably just the accomplishment you feel after growing these things for 6 months and then you finally selling them and people actually enjoying the product that you create.